guys, welcome to the channel. You are watching Simple Fact. दोस्तों मेरा नाम है अर्नब और दोस्तों इस चैनल में आपको बहुत सारे मज़ेदार फैक्ट्स जानने को मिलेगी। तो जुड़े रहिए चैनल के साथ, लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। Do you know which country has the speedest internet? Number 10, Hungary, 99.74 Mbps, fast enough to download Days of Thunder in 43 seconds. Number 9, Monaco, 104.98 Mbps, fast enough to download The Sims in 142 seconds. Number 8, Hong Kong, 105.32 Mbps, fast enough to download Barry White's greatest hit album in 0.38 seconds. Number 7 is Switzerland, 110.45 Mbps, fast enough to download Top Gun in 41 seconds. Number 6 is Iceland, 116.88 Mbps, fast enough to download all the Harry Potter books in 12 seconds. Number 5, Luxembourg, 118.05 Mbps, fast enough to download the entire Fast and Furious movie franchise in 154 seconds. Number 4, Gibraltar, 183.09 Mbps, fast enough to download Speed, starring Keanu Reeves in 23 seconds. Number 3, Andorra, 213.41 Mbps, fast enough to download the 4K extended edition of the Lord of Rings trilogy in 130 seconds. Number 2, Jersey, 200.37 Mbps, fast enough to download the 2014 film The Jersey Boy in 10.4 seconds. Number 1, Liechtenstein, 229.98 Mbps, fast enough to download S Club 7th Grade Hits album, best in 0.05 seconds. Is the weight of Earth is changing? Scientists estimated that the Earth gains about 40,000 tons of material each year from the accretion of meteoric dust and debris from space. They also estimated that about 95,000 tons of hydrogen gas are lost from the Earth's atmosphere to the outer space each year. Although there are other processes involved, such as the loss of mass due to radioactive decay within the Earth core, about 160 tons a year, and helium loss from the atmosphere, about 1,600 tons a year. These are small effects. Annually, the amount of mass launched into Earth orbit is negligible by compression, of the order of a few hundred tons. The Earth is losing something like 50,000 tons of a mass every year. That sounds like a lot, but since the Earth's mass is about 5.97 billion trillion tons, it would take about 1,20,000 trillion years for it completely disappear at this rate of depletion. That's many million of times the age of the Earth. In fact, it's many million of the time the age of the universe. So, this loss of mass has no effect on planet Earth or on human. Do you know which is the highest post office in the world? Hikim Village has a post office situated at elevation of 14,567 feet, and this post office is the highest post office in the world. The post office connects small village in this isolated region to the rest of the world. It receives and sends postal letters. It also acts as a saving bank where villagers can deposit money in their savings account or withdraw money. Intrepid travelers make it this far to Hikim Village to take pride in mailing their letter from the highest post office on earth. Pin of the village is 172114. Hikim Village was the world's highest polling station. It was recorded in the Limca Book of Records. The village and the region itself remained cut off from the other parts of the Himachal Pradesh state from the half the year due to heavy snowfall over the mountain passes. Russia to Alaska, walk. Between Russia and Alaska lies the Bering Strait. When it frees up in the winter, you can journey across with 3.8 kilometers being the shortest end. However, it's possible doesn't mean it's legal or safe, as the ocean winds are extremely cold and the ice below may shift. In 2006, two adventurers set out from Alaska to cross the frozen path on foot. They crossed 90 kilometers in 15 days before they were detained in Russia for volatile immigration law. The world's most expensive coin in the world. The most expensive coin in the world was sold for more than $7 million. In 1933, Double Eagle was a $20 US coin made for gold that never went into circulation. A few of the coins were made, but most were destroyed, save for the 9 that were presumed stolen by the US mint workers. After years circulating the globe and the falling into the hand of a few notable owners, including the king of the Egypt, one of the coins was auctioned off at Sotheby's in 2002 for stunning $7,059,020 that made it the most expensive coin even sold at auction.